In this lesson, we'll explain the network testing of TCPIP communication. In the Robot Guide software, first make sure that the controller has installed the R648 software package. Let's take a look at this installation. Click Robot, then select Properties here. Click Regenerate. Click OK. And we select Item 6, Robot Options. Here, we enter 648. Then, a user socket MSG will appear here. After we check it, click Next. Click Finish. And then we click Apply. Now we'll be promoted to restart the robot controller. Click OK. After restarting, we click on Tag Pendant again. And then results is in 6 settings. Then career setting option appears here. If it's the career software package of physical robots, it needs to be ordered by Fanuc company. Alright, click OK again here. First of all, we need to test the communication between the robot and the host. Here, we click Host Communication. Then click Enter. Here is what has been set before. 192.168.101.100 is the IP address of the industrial robot. Here, PC is the host name, and on the right is the host IP address 192.168.101.20. The IP address of the router here is set to 182.168.101.1, but it can also be left unset. The PC jog IP address here can also be left unset. You can also leave it unset here. After we move the cursor here, we click Pin. OK, it means that the robot and the host computer communicated successfully. Now that we have completed the communication between the robot and the host through the system, let's look at how to use the program to test the communication between the industrial robot and the host. We click File in the directory tree. Then right-click and select New File. Then select Career Source. Now the program editing interface will appear. We can copy and paste the previously compiled program directly into it, or we can write the program directly in this interface. This program code has been written in Notepad before, and we copy the code directly to the program editing interface. Alright, let's check the meaning of this program. First, we look at the first and last lines. Socket test is the program name. The first and last lines should be the same. Then here is defined the status variable, whose type is integer. Next, execution begins. The first line of code will display a test pin prompt on the screen, indicating that the industrial robot is now starting to pin the host. MSG-pin is a built-in function. Here is the IP address of the host. Then, if pin passes, the value returned by status will be 0. If it's not 0, it means there is an error, so you can see that there is an if statement here. If 0 is not equal to the value returned by status, pin unsuccessful will be displayed on the screen. That is, there is no pin pass. If the value returned by status is 0, pin successful will be displayed on the screen. Here's if and if at the end. Well, a sample socket test program is written. Next, let's take a look at the effect. Before looking at the effect, we must first compile this program. Let's click here. Alright, let's take a look at. If the compilation is successful and there are no sig test errors, a successful prompt will appear here, which means that we have compiled successfully. After compilation succeeded, the socket test program will automatically appear in the ticking pendant. If it's a physical robot, we also need to load this program onto the teaching pendant. Okay, let's run the socket test program. We click on the upper right corner to make it appear with a dual interface. Then click this place, click Menu, then click User. Move the cursor to socket test. Then we click Enter. Socket test selected will appear. Next, if we want to run this program, click Shift and then click FWD. OK, we click on it and we'll find the test pin prompt. The result is pin successful, which means that the socket testing program written by Korean language has completed the communication between the industrial robot and the host. Let's click it again, and such a prompt will appear again. This lesson ends here. See you